Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Female Hygiene Kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked purchases a woman can make, offering peace of mind and preparedness for everyday life and unexpected situations, ensuring comfort and confidence no matter where you are or what you're doing, making it an indispensable part of modern self-care and a true lifesaver when you need it most. Number 5. BAGSMART Toiletry Bag, Medium Black. Introducing the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag, your perfect travel companion. Keep all your essentials organized and accessible wherever you go. Featuring a convenient hanging hook, this bag allows you to easily access your toiletries in any bathroom. No more counter clutter. Don't worry about spills or leaks. Its water-resistant material protects your belongings and keeps the bag looking great. This medium-sized organizer is designed to hold everything, from shampoo bottles to makeup essentials. Everything has its place. Available in a classic black color, it's both stylish and incredibly practical for all your travel needs. Get yours today. What we like. This toiletry bag offers a convenient hanging hook, perfect for small spaces like dorm bathrooms or shared hotel rooms. Its water-resistant material protects your items from spills and moisture. If you're looking for a durable and organized way to carry your toiletries and makeup, especially during travel, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The kit is very compact and easy to carry around. It contains all the essential items for personal hygiene. The products included are of good quality and effective. Number 4. RedDrop Tween Period Kit. Introducing the RedDrop Tween Period Kit, designed specifically for girls aged 9 to 12. It's everything you need to feel prepared and confident during your first period. This kit includes a variety of pads to suit your needs throughout the day and night. You'll find everyday, flow night, and maximum absorbency options. Our pads feature wings for a secure fit, ensuring you stay protected and comfortable. No more worries about leaks, day or night. Beyond pads, this kit comes with 7 feminine wipes for freshness and a convenient pouch to carry your essentials discreetly. We aim to make this new phase easier and more comfortable. This kit provides peace of mind for both you and your tween. With 76 pieces in total, this kit covers all the bases. It's the perfect starter pack for young girls navigating their period for the first time. What we like. This kit is thoughtfully designed for young girls experiencing their first periods, offering a comprehensive selection of pads for different flow levels. It also includes essential extras like feminine wipes and a pouch for discretion. If you are a parent looking for a complete and age-appropriate starter kit for your daughter, this is ideal. What people say. It comes with a great variety of pad sizes that are comfortable and sized just right for younger girls. The quality is very good and the different absorbency levels make it easy for her to understand what to use and when. The little pouch it comes with is adorable and discreet, and she loves it. She keeps it in her backpack so she's prepared in case her period starts unexpectedly. This kit is a great starter set for managing a first period. It includes different size pads for varying flow levels along with feminine wipes, making it practical and reassuring for new users. Number 3. Women's Premium 16-Piece Travel Kit. Introducing the Women's Premium 16-Piece Travel Kit. It's the perfect companion for your journeys, ensuring you have all your essentials on the go. This set is thoughtfully curated with Tresemme hair products and bath essentials. It makes an ideal stocking stuffer or holiday gift for the woman who has everything. Experience salon-quality hair care wherever you travel. Our premium selection ensures your hair looks and feels its best, no matter the destination. Transform your travel routine into a spa-like escape. Enjoy a collection of bath essentials designed for ultimate relaxation and rejuvenation. Searching for a thoughtful gift? This travel kit is a delightful surprise, offering both practicality and a touch of luxury. Please note, floss may vary. Elevate your travel experience with this comprehensive kit. It's designed for convenience, ensuring you're always prepared and pampered. What we like. This premium travel kit comes with well-known hair care products and essential bath items, making it a luxurious travel companion. It's also presented as a great stocking stuffer or holiday gift. If you appreciate having familiar, quality personal care items while on the go, or are looking for a thoughtful gift, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. The kit is super handy, with everything I needed for a smooth, stress-free trip, including travel-sized toiletries, makeup, and essential items. The size and organization of the kit made it easy to pack and store in my luggage without taking up too much space. This is a perfect travel kit with all the essentials. And the bag is very nice. Number 2. Menstrual All-in-One Kits, Assorted Colors. Introducing our Menstrual All-in-One Kits, designed for ultimate convenience. These kits offer a complete solution for your menstrual needs, all in one easy-to-carry package. Perfect for life on the go, each kit is individually wrapped and discreet. Keep one in your purse, car, or gym bag for immediate access whenever you need it. Available in a variety of stylish colors, including red purse, pink, and purple. Choose the one that best suits your personal style. Each pack contains everything you need for a single period. This ensures you have fresh, hygienic products readily available throughout your cycle. Prioritize your feminine hygiene with our premium products. They are thoughtfully designed to provide comfort and confidence, no matter where your day takes you. What we like. These all-in-one kits are individually wrapped for maximum hygiene and convenience, perfect for discreetly carrying in a purse or bag. The single-period kit packs make them ideal for on-the-go use. If you prioritize discretion and ease of access to feminine hygiene products throughout your day, these are a great solution. What people say. I use these as a wedding photographer to have extra products in my bag in case any bridesmaid, mom, or bride has an emergency. This has been a lifesaver to have on hand, and some have commented on how cute they look. They are small, discreet, and in attractive packaging. Great for a purse, bathroom, or any place where someone may need feminine products in a pinch. Very handy for girls on the go. Number 1. Menstrual Kit All-in-One 10-Pack. Introducing our all-in-one menstrual kit, designed for your ultimate convenience. This pack offers a complete solution for your menstrual needs, wherever you go. Perfect for travel, this kit ensures you're always prepared. Its compact design makes it easy to slip into any bag for discreet and immediate access. Specially curated for tweens and teenagers, this kit provides everything needed for their first period or any period. It offers a simple and reassuring experience. Enjoy a variety of colors in each pack, adding a touch of personal preference. Each item is individually wrapped for maximum hygiene and freshness. This comprehensive pack covers all your feminine hygiene essentials. It's the reliable choice for maintaining comfort and cleanliness throughout your cycle. Don't let your period disrupt your adventures. This kit is your essential travel companion, ensuring you have what you need without any hassle. What we like. This all-in-one menstrual kit is designed for convenience, especially for traveling, tweens, and teenagers. Each product is individually wrapped, ensuring cleanliness and portability. If you are a young person or a parent looking for a compact, hygienic, and easy-to-carry period solution for school, travel, or everyday use, this pack is highly suitable. What people say. These were exactly what we were looking for to give away to girls during Menstrual Hygiene Day. I keep one of these in my work bag, my purse, in my car, in my gym bag, at work. It's reassuring to know you always have something in case you or someone else needs it. This is a great idea, especially to carry for emergencies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.